Welcome to creating purchase orders for non-inventory items for administrative assistance. Click the next button to begin. Hi, I'm Emma.
And I am Matthew, and together we will be taking you through this course. This Creating Purchase Orders for Non-Inventory Items courseware is designed to take you through creating a purchase order for non-inventory items, otherwise called expense purchase orders. The course is divided into two sections. Section 1 will cover the purchasing process, purchase orders and its related concepts, principles and structure in 3 lessons. In the second section, you will have hands-on exposure in creating a purchase order in a simulated SAP environment.
Throughout the courseware you will be interacting with images, quizzes, simulations and other multimedia. Let's begin. After completing the course you will be able to define the key facts, keywords, terms and codes, used within purchasing. Describe the procurement process within the organization. Outline the steps to create a purchase order including transactional steps in SAP. Perform the purchase order steps within the simulation environment. Choose the appropriate action to take when faced with conflicts or pressures for expediency. This is Lesson 1. Lesson 1 gives an introduction to the purchasing function. At the end of this lesson you will be able to define purchasing. Explain the purchasing function. Describe the purchasing process. Every organization acquires material or services to complete its business needs. The process of buying materials and obtaining services from vendors or dealers is procurement. Procurement process should be done in such a way that it is ordered in correct quantity, and with the proper value at the proper time. Creating a purchase order is one of the many steps in the purchasing process. These steps include 1. Determining requirement, what material or services are required. 2. Creating a requisition, the form or electronic transmission used to inform the purchasing department that item or services are needed. 3. Creating a purchase orders, when the requisition is approved, a purchase order is created. 4. Goods receipt/invoice received. The material is received, condition and quality are verified. 5. Invoice verification, vendor payment, reconciliation of the invoice and PO is made. Vendor is paid. This is Lesson 2. Lesson 2 covers purchase orders in detail. At the end of this lesson you will be able to describe a purchase order. Identify elements of a purchase order. Describe the steps in the purchase order process. Explain why it benefits businesses using purchase orders. Purchase orders, POs, play an important role in controlling business purchases. In this lesson we'll define what a purchase order is, describe what information it includes, highlight key benefits to using POs, and explain the key steps in the purchase order process. The following are the steps in the purchase order process. Remember, the purchase order process is one part of a broader procurement process that includes everything from identifying the need for a good or service to payment. Most processes include three key attributes: an input, an activity and an output. This is how it looks in the PO process.